There's somebody who's happy. Is today your birthday party?
Okay, you can open it.
How old are you going to be?
4.
Let me see 4 fingers. Good girl.
Good job.
I need help with this box.
Wait a minute. You don't need
Oh.
help. She doesn't need help, honey. Let her just open it. Watch your head so Daddy can get it. On the paper, on the paper. There you go. What's that? What's that? Tell me what it is. Don't pull it apart. Don't-
Pantyhose.
Okay,
Right.
what else is in there?
Let's go for the next thing.
A new dress.
Whoa.
Shoes. Oh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
Helen, can I open another present?
Look at mommy though. Now take your hand down and just keep smiling. Now put your head straight.